Which came first, chicken or egg?
I, me, and myself.
You wish. There are numerous debates and theories on who came first. One popular theory is the proto-chicken theory. What's that? During reproduction, two organisms pass on their DNA to the egg. Each time, tiny changes or mutations take place in the DNA. Over thousands of years, these changes create new species. Experts theorize that one such new species was the proto-chicken, very similar to present-day chicken. When the proto-chicken laid an egg, mutations in the DNA created the first true chicken. Now, which came first? Depends on what we call the egg. If we say that the proto-chicken laid a proto-egg, which created the first chicken, then the answer is chicken came first. However, if we don't call the egg a proto-egg and instead call it a chicken egg, then egg came first.